So in this video I'll be looking at drawing page 3, part number 18. Just like usual, I will start by drawing my object. Right. This view goes and creates a triangle first, and then there is another triangle that comes out the front. Right. I'm going to use my AutoCAD. Start with the line tool coming across the left and up. Switch these to my 0 layer. Use my offset tool. Offset 5 inches, my left over. Offset 2.5 for my bottom up. And then again, offset my 1 inch, providing space in between those 3 views. Now my top view and my right side view are both 1.5 inches, so I'm going to offset 1.5, hit enter. I'm going to create that line in the top right corner and use my trim tool to remove out any additional lines. Alright, so those are my boxes for my 3 views. My front view has a box right here in the front that is 1.25 or 1.25 inches up. So we'll start out by doing that. Offset 1.25. I'm going to do it in the front as well, or the right side as well. And then I have a 7/8 going from my left side and my right side, 7/8. So I'm going to offset 7/8 on the left side and on the right side, left side and on the right side. Right away I'm going to use the trim command and trim out so that all I'm left with is that smaller box. On my top view, this distance here is 3/4 or 0.75. So I'm going to offset 0.75. And again, trim out so that all I'm left with is that smaller box. Alright, now let's take a look at my left side view. I start by creating one triangle. So my line tool from here coming straight up. But in order to get that other triangle, the smaller one, I'm copying from this front view rectangle across. Alright, so I'm going to take my line tool, hover over it, and simply drag my cursor to create that secondary triangle. Now I can use my trim and trim out so that all I'm left with is that triangle. Top, front, and right side. I'm going to enter my dimensions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As usual, I'm going to start out by dimensioning my overall dimensions. Overall meaning my height, width, and depth. So my overall width is 5. Overall depth is 1.5 inches. Overall height is 2.5 inches. Now I'll come back in and enter the smaller, more detailed dimensions. You'll notice the computer automatically switched it to a fraction, which is totally acceptable. I'm going to switch this dimension by clicking on it and dragging so I can move my 0.75 to a better location. Last dimension I need then is this height from here to here. And that should be, let me just double check. Yep, drawing page 3, part number 18. Thank you.